Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. Huh? Okay, so this numerical we have started. Ajay, this numerical we have started and completed the velocity diagram. Is it correct, Revannath?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, so just for all of you information, just I would like to repeat some of the content within 2 to 3 minutes. So this was the statement. So already you had taken in your notebook an engine mechanism shown in figure given below. The crank CB is equal to 100 mm and the connecting rod BA is equal to 300 mm with center of gravity G, which is at 100 mm from B, from this point. In the position shown, the crank has speed of 75 radian per second. So that omega they have given, and as well as they have given an angular acceleration for the crank, and that is 1200 radian per second square. So find the velocity of G and angular velocity of AB. So we need to find out velocity of G. For that we are going to draw the velocity diagram, and angular velocity of AB. So we need to find out angular velocity for this AB. And number two, the acceleration of G and angular acceleration of AB. So for first we will find out with the help of velocity diagram, and second we are going to draw the acceleration diagram to find out acceleration of G and angular acceleration of AB. So first of all we have drawn space diagram. So KL selected was 1 centimeter is equal to 50 mm. This is given data. So this one is the space diagram. So CB is equal to 100 mm. We have converted it into 0.1 m in meter as a 0.1 meter. B is equal to 300 mm, and that is 0.3 meter. So with respect to the scale, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 mm. So we have taken 2 centimeter because CB is equal to 100 mm. This is 2 centimeter. Then BA is equal to 300 mm. This one is 6 centimeter. Accordingly, we have drawn the space diagram. Then first of all, we need to find out velocity of B with respect to C. So angular velocity for this it is given, and which is 75 radian per second. So directly we can find out velocity of this B point with respect to C. So VBC is equal to VB is equal to omega BC into CB. This length that we need to put in meter. So we got answer 75 into 0.1 as a 7.5 meter per second. Then they have given angular acceleration, and for this CB. Since angular acceleration of crankshaft alpha BC is equal to 1200 radian per second, so directly here itself we can find out the tangential component of acceleration of B with respect to C. So ATBC is equal to alpha BC that is given into CB, that is link length. So link length is 0.1 meter into 1200. So we got 120 meter per second square tangential component for this link. Okay. So this is the important sentence which is mentioned at the bottom. When the angular acceleration is not given, then there will be no tangential component of the acceleration. So this may be asked in the MCQ. Then to find out the velocity of G, the space diagram as it is repeated from the last slide. So to determine the velocity of G and the angular velocity of AB, draw a velocity diagram. So we got velocity of this B, that is VB, as 7.5 meter per second square. So we will take scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter per second. So accordingly, draw vector CB perpendicular to this CB. So here, so already I have told number of times. So such perpendicular line, such perpendicular line. So we have drawn one perpendicular line which represent this vector CB like this. Then we have drawn another perpendicular line and one line parallel to this. This becomes our velocity diagram. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter per second. Vector CB is 7.5 centimeter. So we know vector CB is equal to VBC is equal to VB is equal to 7.5 meter per second. So we have drawn this vector. Then from B, draw vector BA perpendicular to this. So we have drawn one vector perpendicular to this. Okay, and from C point, we need to draw one line parallel to this line of action. Up to this completed? Revannath, up to this completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Now we need to find out velocity of G. Next line you can write, since the point, since point G lies on AB, therefore divide vector AB at G, so this is small AB at G, in the same ratio as G divides AB in the space diagram. So actually G point, it is 100 mm from B and this total length is 300 mm. Total length is 300 mm. So next line you can write ratio like this, AG divided by AB, AG divided by AB is equal to capital AG divided by capital AB. So So from that you can get the value of Ag. So what is value of Ag? Revannath, what is value of Ag? You have calculated on that. You have measured on that day.
2.8.
Huh? 2.8. Okay. So 2.8. Okay. Next. Okay. So from this A, at 2.8. So from this point A, locate G point at 2.8 centimeter distance. Okay. Draw this. Write there VG. Ajay, join CG. Okay. Next line. Mention this there as a VG. Okay. Up to this completed. Up to this completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next line you can write by measurement. Now we need to measure this CG, vector CG, which is shown by dotted line. So next line you can write velocity of G, velocity of G, velocity of G. Next line Vg is equal to vector Cg and is equal to. Revanna, tell your value. Revannath, which value you got? Ajay, what is value of vector Cg?
6.7.
Okay, correct, good. Revannath, yourself.
6.5.
6.5. Okay. Any other person? Kiran?
6.8.
6.8. Okay. Krishna? 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 Shubham? Shantanu?
6.7, sir.
Okay, correct. Then Ranjit Wagmare. Suryakant. Shoaib. What is your value?
6.7, sir.
6.7. So my request to everybody is
6.7, sir.
okay, good, correct. Everybody, I request.
6.7.
Okay, okay. So next line you can write. Therefore, VG is equal to vector CG, and again you can write 6.8 meter per second, and whatever value you got in accordance to your value for that particular vector you can write. Okay, next. Next line you can write angular velocity of AB. Angular velocity of AB. Angular velocity of AB. Next line you can write from the velocity diagram. From the velocity diagram. From the velocity diagram. Comma. Next line. The velocity of A with respect to B. The velocity of A with respect to B. With respect to B. With respect to B. So we can measure this vector BA. Write down. Vector BA and is equal to 4 meter per second. You can write 4 centimeter and then 4 meter per second. Ajay, what is your value as per your geometry, whatever you have drawn? Ajay?
3.5.
Okay, okay. Huh. So whatever answer you are getting, you can write. But it should be around 4. 3.9, 4, 4.1, 4.2, 3.8, 3.9. That much variation is allowed. Okay. Now, how to find out the angular velocity of AB? So you know omega is equal to V divided by R. So again we can write VAB divided by R means this link length. Okay. So here 4 divided by this. Okay. Write down this. Write this. Up to this completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a diagram from the book. This is for your reference. Okay. Next line you can write angular acceleration, acceleration of G, acceleration of G, acceleration of G, and angular acceleration of AB. Angular acceleration of AB. Just wait for 1 minute. Just for your information, I am putting that figure on the slide. Okay. So again, to find out acceleration of G and angular acceleration of AB. So we need to find out acceleration of G and angular acceleration of this link AB. So this is link CB. This one is crank. Just listen carefully. So already in the statement they have given omega, and also they have given this angular acceleration for the crank. So omega is given. So from that we got value of velocity. Again, to find out its acceleration component, we need to have one component along this line and another component perpendicular to this line. Now, as they have given the angular acceleration, then there are two components. So in the previous slide, what we have seen, just list this we have seen. I will show that note to you. Wait for 1 minute. Okay. When the angular acceleration is not given, then there will be no tangential component of the acceleration. पण इथं अँग्युलर ॲक्सेलरेशन दिलेलं आहे, राईट, ह्या केसमध्ये, आणि त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय, अल्फा बी सी 1200. ही नोट का दिली, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टंट. जर दिलं नसेल then we need to eliminate this, but here it is given. So for that reason this note is given. Or when the angular acceleration is given, then there will be tangential component. असा सुद्धा MCQ असू शकतो. angular acceleration दिलं असेल तर तुम्हाला tangential component तिथं कॅल्क्युलेट करावं लागणार. So that is important. So accordingly, during our acceleration diagram, while determining the acceleration components, so next line you can write, the radial component of the acceleration of B with respect to C. फक्त आता इथं B चा विचार करा, ह्या B चा, राइट. सो angular radial component of the acceleration of B with respect to C. So this is B with respect to C. This is relative acceleration method. So first we need to see about this B, then A. So radial component of acceleration of B with respect to C, write down ARBC is equal to this velocity of BC square divided by CB, this distance. So 7.5 bracket square divided by 0.1, and this one is the value for this acceleration radial component. Then write down this, or you can write here 1. Okay. Then next, the tangential component of acceleration of B with respect to C, you can write this, calculate and write, or just write there number 2. Write there number 2. So if such a diagram is given, लक्ष द्या नीट, ह्या लिंकचा विचार करायचा, त्यात सुद्धा बी चा विचार करायचा, आणि ह्या बी चा ऍक्सेलरेशनचे ह्याला 2 कंपोनंट आहेत का 1 कंपोनंट आहेत, ते कसं ठरवणार तुम्ही? जर इथं जर अँग्युलर ऍक्सेलरेशन दिला असेल तर ह्या बी साठी 2 कंपोनंट. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. आणि दिलं नसेल तर ह्या बी साठी ओनली देयर विल बी रेडियल component. So first you are going to calculate the magnitude of the acceleration, and then we are going to draw the acceleration diagram. अजय लक्षात आलं का हे? अजय?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Up to second point, up to second equation completed. Okay. Then next you can write next radial component. आता हा बी झाला, बी नंतर काय असणार आहे? ए. जीचं तर लोकेशन आपल्याला माहितच नाही, that we need to show in the acceleration diagram, but before that we need to draw this b dash a in the acceleration diagram. Next line you can write radial component of acceleration of a. आता b नंतर काय आहे? a. After this a is there, so we need to think about this a and its a component. Radial component of acceleration of a with respect to b. So velocity of this a, so 4 centimeter, that is 4 meter per second. So 4 you are going to write there and square divided by 0.3, and this one is the third equation. So everybody should write this. This is equation number 3. Up to this completed? अजय झालं का इथपर्यंत?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, now we need to go for the acceleration diagram. Next line you can write, draw acceleration diagram. Draw acceleration diagram. Draw acceleration diagram. Okay. So what are the values? What are the values? Somebody should tell me. Okay. So 562, then 120, then 53. So which one is suitable scale? Ajay, you can tell. 1 centimeter is equal to, Ajay, Revannath, scale. Hello. Which scale is suitable? Ajay. Revannath, which scale is suitable? Krishna, which scale is suitable? Am I audible? Vishwajit, Ajay, which scale is suitable? रेवनाथ, तुम्ही सांगा. Okay. Next line you can write, scale 1 centimeter is equal to, 1 centimeter is equal to, you can write 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 50 meter per second. 1 centimeter is equal to 50 meter per second. 50 meter per second. अजय, आवाज येतोय का माझा तुम्हाला?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So 1 centimeter is equal to 50 meter per second. Then just I will copy this diagram once again for your information. Then I will delete. Okay. Then write down first step. Draw vector. Draw vector C prime, B double prime or simply C dash B double dash parallel to, इकडे लक्ष द्या. So this link is having two components. One is parallel and another one is perpendicular. So this is tangential and this one is radial. Simply अशी लिंक दिली की one component parallel and another component perpendicular, that we are going to draw. Okay, draw vector C prime B double prime parallel to CB to represent radial component of the acceleration of B with respect to C. With respect to C. With respect to C. So this is the value 562.5 meter per second square. This calculation we got. So approximately किती सेंटीमीटर येते सांगा अजय? अजय किती सेंटीमीटर येत आहे? डिवाइड बाय 50.
11.25.
11.25. Take that much distance. Okay, so with 11.25 draw this vector. Dotted draw करा. रेवन्नाथ, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
हाँ, ड्रॉ करा. C prime B double prime हाँ अजय
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आता दुसरी स्टेप काय असणार आहे सांगा मला. आता एक कंपोनंट काढला, चुकू द्या, चुकणारच नाही, बट टिल यू नीड टू आन्सर. आता दुसरा एक आपण रॅडियलचा कंपोनंट काढला. आता कुठला राहिला? हॅलो, टँजेन्शियल. बरोबर आहे का रे म्हणणार?
Yes, sir. Yes.
हा, मग तो कसा काढायचा सांगा मला. कमी सांगू परत एकदा. ओके, so there are two components, one parallel to this link and other perpendicular. हा ड्रॉ केला आपण. आता कुठला राहिला? हा राहिला, राईट. ओके, नेक्स्ट लाइन, राइट. फ्रॉम B double prime draw vector B double prime B prime perpendicular to C prime B double prime perpendicular to this or this link to represent tangential component of acceleration of B with respect to C. With respect to C. With respect to C. So we need to draw line parallel to this red line which I have drawn, or परपेंड दी रेड लाईन ही ह्याला परपेंडिक्युलर आहेच, याला पॅरलल जर काढलं तुम्ही ड्राफ्टर असेल तर चालेल. ओके, त्याचं मॅग्निट्यूड किती असणार आहे? बी डबल प्राइम बी टँजेन्शियल कॉम्पोनंटची व्हॅल्यू किती दिली? 120 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वेअर. किती सेंटीमीटर येणार सांगा? 2.4 येणार का? चेक करा. 2.4. Correct, 2.4. Okay, draw this. इथपर्यंत झालं का सगळ्यांचं? हे झालं का अजय?
Yes, sir. Yes. आशुतोष साठे झालं का तुमचं? आनंद शेळके,
Yes, sir.
सागर, विश्वजित, शंकर.
Yes, sir.
ओके, शंकर बनसोड.
Yes, sir.
ओके, प्रेम चव्हाण, श्रीकांत, roll number 27. Have you completed?
Sir.
Okay. Right. Now you have not asked the query with respect to this B double prime B. इकडं का काढायचं नाही? So why we have drawn in this direction? Because the direction for velocity of this B point with respect to C. So ह्याचा टँजेन्शियल कंपोनंट इथं काढतो आपण. टँजेन्शियल कंपोनंट ह्या व्हेलॉसिटीच्या कंपोनंटला पॅरलल असतो आणि रेडियल कंपोनंट लिंकला पॅरलल असतो. राईट. आपण एकदम सुरुवातीच्या स्लाइड मध्ये बघितलं होतं हे. बरोबर आहे का रेवन्नाथ?
Yes, sir.
हा, तर सुरुवातीच्या स्लाइड मध्ये बघितलं होतं आपण व्हेलॉसिटी ज्या दिशेने आहे त्याला पॅरलल एक कंपोनंट काढायचा आणि दॅट इज टँजेन्शियल कंपोनंट, आणि लिंकला पॅरलल असलेला दॅट वन इज रेडियल कंपोनंट. लक्षात ठेवा. राईट. ओके. Then next you can write join C prime B prime. आता this one is radial component, this one is tangential component. How to display total acceleration? So we need to join this. Write down. Join C prime B prime, C prime B prime, full stop. The vector C prime B prime represents the total acceleration of B, total acceleration of B with respect to C, with respect to C, that is A B C, that is A B C. Okay. Okay. शंकर झाला का कंप्लीट?
Yes, sir.
हा. रेवन्नाथ?
Yes, sir.
प्रेम? प्रेम चव्हाण?
Yes, sir.
सगळेजण 100% ड्रॉ करा. It is my request, you should have practice, though exam may be on MCQ base. So it is my request. Shubham Katkar, have you drawn? Okay. एक लक्षात ठेवा, डॉटेड लाईन्स ज्या काढतोय आपण, dotted line. So actual acceleration diagram, so whatever thick lines you should consider from that point only. So that's why C prime and B prime, that is the total acceleration of link BC. Okay. Next line you can write, from point B prime Draw vector b prime x parallel to BA to represent a radial component of the acceleration of A with respect to B. So value for this, it is 53.3 meter per second square. So we have to draw one vector which is parallel to this AB or BA, one and the same. So here we are going to draw that, and approximately distance here, this is x. हा कुठला कंपोनंट आहे? रेडियल कंपोनंट. हा इनिशियल पॉइंट सी, हा नंतर बी. ह्याचा रेडियल कंपोनंट आपण याच्या दिशेने काढला. टँजेन्शियल कंपोनंट ह्या दिशेने काढला. तसं फॉर दिस ए बी लिंक रेडियल कंपोनंट या दिशेने असणार. Right? So draw this. And what is magnitude for drawing this? It is 1.1, approximately 1.2 centimeter approximately. किती ते 1.3 येते का रेवन्नाथ? किती येते ते? किती सेंटीमीटर येत आहे? अजय किती सेंटीमीटर आहे?
1.06.
1.06. ओके, नो इश्यू. ओके
1.06.
ओके, थँक्यू. ड्रॉ करा. समजलं का? त्याच दिशेने का काढायचा तो वेक्टर? समजलं का रेवन्नाथ?
हो सर.
Okay. So all the students, they should listen that I am asking Revannath, Ajay, sometimes Kiran, then Shankar, because they are responding. Others just I am taking name. Sometimes they are going out of the meeting. So that's why you should respond me immediately. Ranjit Wagmare, समजलं का तुम्हाला? आदित्य थिटे.
Yes, sir.
ओके रिस्पॉन्ड लगेच द्यायचा. चुकीलं तर चुकलं, काय फरक पडत नाही त्याला. ठीक आहे. ओके, थँक्यू. ओके, सो ड्रॉ दिस वेक्टर. ओके, आता पुढची स्टेप आदित्य सांगा तुम्ही, पुढची स्टेप काय असणार आहे? एक कंपोनंट काढला आपण. So we have drawn one component which is parallel to the link. Another component which is perpendicular to the link, that is nothing but tangential component, and that we are going to draw here starting from this, and this end point we are not knowing, so that's why we can draw such line, such dotted line. Next line you can write from point X, from point X, from point X, draw vector x a prime perpendicular to, perpendicular to, 1 minute, just I am taking figure for your information. Perpendicular to, perpendicular to, perpendicular to this, that is b prime x or ba, or ba, to represent, to represent, to represent, to represent tangential component of, tangential component of, tangential component of the acceleration of a, acceleration of a with respect to b, with respect to b, that is ab. So we are going to show this. So ATAB, ATAB, whose magnitude is not yet known. Draw this. Up to this completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what is next step? रेवन्नाथ नेक्स्ट स्टेप सांगा. आता लास्ट स्टेप राहिली फक्त. Draw one vector parallel to this AC, that is line of stroke. Next line you can write. Now draw vector C prime A prime parallel to the path of motion of A, path of motion of A in bracket, which is along AC, bracket complete, to represent the acceleration of A, that is small a suffix capital A. So simply draw one vector parallel to this. This is space diagram. So here you are going to draw one vector like this. This one is intersecting point. इथपर्यंत झालं का आदित्य? आदित्य? Okay. Now this point A prime and this B prime. So this one is capital B, this is capital A. So next step will be we need to join this, which represent acceleration for this. So next line you can write, just I will okay, join B prime A prime represent the acceleration of A with respect to B. Show this. माझा आवाज येतोय का रेवन्नाथ? आवाज येतोय? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
okay. Okay. Next line you can write. Now we need to determine acceleration of this G. So for that reason, this is the G point. This is G point in the space diagram, and for this AB, this is A prime B prime vector. So we need to locate this G point in this diagram. How to locate? For that, as per the previous procedure, write down. To find the acceleration of G, capital G, to find the acceleration of G, comma, divide vector A prime B prime in the same ratio as G divides BA. So here you can write our aim is to find out BG. So you can write here B upon is equal to find out this किती व्हॅल्यू आली फॉर B prime A prime measure this then BG it is given instead of this we can write in centimeter. So what is value for this BG? 1 centimeter, and this BA is 3 into किती आली B prime A prime सांगा रे वन्नाथ किती आली व्हॅल्यू ही अजय किती आहे B prime G prime
11.
11 सेंटीमीटर
Yes.
चेक करा एकदा
B prime A prime आहे सर.
हा हा करेक्ट ओके इथं ओके इथली सांगा व्हॅल्यू मला आता
3.6.
हा
3.6.
3.6
6.
3.6 पॉइंट कुठे येतोय तो तुमच्या फिगर मध्ये ह्या डॉटेडच्या वर येतो का इथं ओके सो from this B prime, so B prime G prime is equal to 3.6. That is the value, 3.6 centimeters. So from this B, कुठे येतोय पॉइंट डॉटेड लाईनच्या तिथे येतोय का त्याच्या आत येतोय? Okay. Then join C prime G prime. The vector C prime G prime represent the acceleration of G. अजय पॉइंट कुठे येतोय तो G प्राइम बरोबर आहे का मी दाखवलेला? त्याच्या
डॉटेड
खाली
लाईन
हा?
खाली येतो, डॉटेड लाईनच्या खाली.
येऊ द्या काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. येऊ द्या फायनल आन्सर वी विल चेक.
येस सर.
Okay. Next line. By measurement, किती येते व्हॅल्यू सांगा आता? Acceleration of G is equal to vector C prime G prime
8.4 सेंटीमीटर.
correct, 8.4 centimeter, that is correct. So this value I have written directly from the book by referring the final answer for the acceleration. So this is correct. So this G point is below this dotted line. That means you have drawn correctly. Okay. Next line. Write down. Acceleration of G is equal to vector C prime G prime. Vector C prime G prime. C prime G prime is equal to 8.2 centimeter, or whatever value you got, you can write that only. Okay. So therefore you can write AG is equal to vector C prime G prime is equal to 414 meter per second square. तुमची जी व्हॅल्यू आहे असेल ते लिहा तिथं. You can write the value you got. Up to this completed? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So acceleration of G, we got the answer as 414 meter per second square. Next line you can write 1 minute. Okay. So next line you can write from the acceleration diagram. From the acceleration diagram. From the acceleration diagram. Now our aim is to find out. Our aim is to find out angular acceleration of AB. Angular acceleration of AB. Next line you can write from the acceleration diagram the tangential component of the acceleration of A with respect to B with respect to B with respect to B with respect to B. Next line vector x A prime is equal to just by measuring whatever you got. So it is around 11 centimeter. Then you can write this tangential component. ATAB is equal to vector x A prime is equal to with the scale 546 meter per second square. Then Therefore, write down angular acceleration of AB. Angular acceleration of AB. Angular acceleration of AB. AB. Next line, alpha AB. Alpha AB is equal to ATAB. ATAB. ATAB divided by BA is equal to 546 divided by 0.3, and this is the final answer. इकडे लक्ष द्या. A पॉइंट. ह्या लिंक साठी BC साठी दोन कंपोनंट आहेत. हा एक कंपोनंट झाला आणि हा दुसरा झाला. So this one is tangential, this one is radial and this one is tangential. ह्याच्यासाठी दोन असणार. This one is radial and one which is perpendicular. This is tangential. So this is radial component, this one is tangential component. Right? Now at the start, so alpha BC, it is given, it is 1200 radian per second square. Accordingly, we have calculated this ATBC is equal to alpha BC into BC. So to calculate this ATBC, alpha BC is required. So as alpha BC is given, we have calculated this. Otherwise, in vice versa, alpha BC, how we can find out? ATBC divided by BC. This way. In the same manner, to find out angular acceleration of AB, this ATAB, this one is tangential component that we have considered, and value for that tangential component, this is the value that we have considered, and divided by link length. Accordingly, this is the answer. Okay, up to this completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next line, next. Now we will check MCQs. Okay. So I will ask individually. So whatever bits, topics up till now covered with respect to this acceleration. So just read. The component of acceleration parallel to the velocity of particle at given instant is called? Who will give answer? Which one is correct? Ajay, what is the answer?
Radial.
Wrong.
Tangential.
Which answer? B. Who has told
B.
tangential? Shoaib, you have told na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ajay, कसं काय आन्सर चुकलं तुमचं? So first slide only we have taken that. So I will explain. So this is the link. This is point B, A. So component of acceleration parallel to the velocity of particle. So this is B point. So it's the velocity. It is V B A, or simply we are going to denote it VB. Okay. So there are two components. One is parallel to link. This is radial, and one is parallel to velocity. This one is tangential. आता हा पॅरलल टू वेलॉसिटी आहे किंवा लिंकला परपेंडिक्युलर आहे. आता हिअर व्हॉट इज रिटन हिअर? पॅरलल टू द वेलॉसिटी ऑफ पार्टिकल. हा एक झाला. आता इथं अजून लिहू शकतो मी परपेंडिक्युलर टू. सो आय विल यूज सम डिफरंट कलर. इथं लिहू शकतो मी परपेंडिक्युलर टू लिंक. हे सुद्धा बरोबर आहे. So this AT is parallel to link. Right, parallel to this velocity, and this AT is perpendicular to link. ही लिंक आहे, त्याला हे perpendicular. Okay. So answer is tangential component. Okay. Next line, or if somebody want they can write. Read this and I will wait for your answer. is correct, Ajay?
C.
Huh?
C option.
C option.
D.
D or C?
D.
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 Correct. 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 Okay. Okay. So here, in such cases, you can just go like this. So this one is velocity square. That means meter per second square divided by this meter. So we can write like this: meter square plus, sorry, divided by second square into 1 upon em. What is remaining? Meter per second square. This is unit for acceleration. Here we are getting different unit. Here we are getting different unit. Here we are getting different unit. This is wrong. This is wrong. This one is wrong. This is correct. Okay. समजलं का हे? समजलं? Okay. Next. Read this. Read this. Huh. Which one is correct? Show here which one is correct. Any other student? Ajay, which one is correct? Already we have solved the previous problem. Revannath. Revannath.
D.
Huh? So whatever previous numerical we have solved, that was correct. So one student only has given correct answer. So to get the value of angular acceleration, we need to have this tangential component value. Already previous numerical we have solved. This is tangential component. This one is tangential component. So in the previous numerical, what we have seen, just I will A. परत एकदा सांगतोय तेच रिपीट अल्फा बी सी इंटू बी सी. हे फाइंड आउट कसं करणार आहे अल्फा बी सी इज इक्वल टू ए टी बी सी अपॉन बी सी. So this one is correct. So please remember this simple things. Okay. Next. Check this MCQ. And just type your answer in chat box. So for correct, okay, roll number 19 has given correct answer. Then next, okay, correct, roll number 3, roll number 61, Rohit, then Suryakant, Onkar, Ajay, okay, Kiran as well. Okay. Okay. So this is about the MCQs related to this